Sometimes it's easier to go down to the side. There we go. Okay, we're gonna test out both of these today. We're gonna do one side with the BurntOut BBQ signature rub, and one side with Obie-Cue's Steakmaker. And even though, I mean, it says Steakmaker, it's probably good on everything, probably. So we'll try that without. Here we have some Barrel and Vines quick smoke wood chips made from old oak wine barrels and actual grapevines. Now, although it's usually for like smoking fish or vegetables using like a specialty smoker or whatever, or pan, I'm gonna use my smoker box. But since these are really fine pieces here, I'm gonna put large chunks of regular hickory wood in here, and I'll put some of these guys on top. Now, I wish you could smell this, because the smell coming off these are amazing. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there, just for fun. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on top here. Now we're gonna turn our gas. We're gonna fire it up on high. Once it starts smoking, we're gonna lower it down probably, but this is how you smoke your ribs. Or is that on high? It's about just over 300, so I'm gonna put it down on medium. I just threw the ribs on. You see we got some nice smoke going on. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave it shut. I'm not gonna open it for a good while. All right. It's been an hour and a half. I'm gonna rotate these babies around and add a little bit more of whichever's on top. It's been 3 hours, and let's have a gander. Ooh, look at that beauty. Oh, that was beautiful. Wish you had smell-o-vision. This smells amazing. Look at that juiciness.
Bike off of.
Take my BurntOut barbecue sauce. Apply it liberally to this bowl here. I'm gonna cut up some of my ribs and throw them in there. Now, because some people like theirs just plain old crispy smoked, and others like theirs braised in the barbecue sauce, we're going to do a little bit of each here. Alright, so we covered that up in about like 10-15 minutes and be ready to go. Look at that smoke ring in there. I decided to take off the tinfoil wrapping because, since I said this sauce is kind of watery, I don't want it to get too wet. She's got sticks and leaves falling in there. I don't want the water to get too much in it. So I want to get sauce to be a little thicker, so I'm letting it air out so that moisture evaporates.